How to rejoin a set of clips that belong to the same original media file in DaVinci Resolve 18.6. The linked selection and blade edit mode tools, which can be selected with Control or Command if you're a Mac user and Shift and L, and B respectively, can be used to dissect a media file on the edit timeline inside DaVinci Resolve, enabling end users to separate video and audio tracks from the same edit, and also split these with the blade edit mode, which can enable parts of the same original media file to be relocated on an edit timeline. What if you wish to reconnect components of the same original media file, such as the video and audio segments here for example for clip 2, so that it becomes one whole media edit once again? Holding Control or Command and select either clip, or click and drag your mouse cursor to highlight the segments that make up the original file, and holding Alt or Option if you're a Mac user and press \. Note the ripple effect that occurs on the edit timeline, where clip 1 shifts to an earlier section of the timeline, as the second segment of clip 2 is moved back to join the first clip that it was split from. Bear in mind if the components of the same media file are separated from a different media file altogether, such as clip 1 positioned in between the components of clip 2, only the audio component can be shifted back to its original source file, as clip 1 on video track 1 is obstructing the second part of clip 2. What if you wish to apply this joining technique to a source file that has missing segments from your project, such as this example here with clip 1 that has been trimmed in the middle and has a section removed? If we select these elements and hold in Alt and press \. once again, we can see that the joining of these two clips fails due to the missing segment in the middle. This is because the content contained in the second edit here furthest down the timeline does not directly lead on from the end of the first edit on the timeline as part of the original media source file. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.